True frogs. These are the classic frogs most people picture, with long, powerful hind legs, smooth or slightly moist skin, and excellent jumping ability. They belong mainly to the family Ranidae and are widely distributed across the globe, especially in temperate regions. True frogs are highly adapted for life near freshwater, such as ponds, lakes, and rivers. Their long legs allow them to leap great distances to escape predators, while their webbed feet make them strong swimmers. Many species have green or brown coloration that helps them blend into vegetation, making camouflage one of their key survival strategies. Tree frogs. Tree frogs are specially adapted for life in trees and shrubs, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. Their most distinctive feature is their sticky toe pads, which act like natural suction cups, allowing them to cling to leaves, branches, and even glass surfaces. These frogs are often lightweight with long limbs, making climbing easier. Many tree frogs are nocturnal and rely on their excellent camouflage during the day to avoid predators. Some species can even change color slightly to match their surroundings, helping them stay hidden in dense foliage. Poison dart frogs. Poison dart frogs are small but incredibly striking, with bright colors like blue, yellow, red, and green that serve as a warning to predators. Native to Central and South America, these frogs produce toxic chemicals through their skin. In the wild, their toxicity comes from their diet of ants and other small insects. Despite their tiny size, some species are among the most toxic animals on Earth. Their bold coloration is an example of aposematism, where animals advertise their danger instead of hiding. Interestingly, when kept in captivity and fed a different diet, they lose their toxicity. Glass frogs. Glass frogs are named for their remarkable translucent skin, especially on their underside, where organs like the heart and intestines can be visible. Found mostly in Central and South American rainforests, they live near fast-flowing streams. Their green upper bodies help them blend in with leaves, while their transparency reduces shadows, making them harder for predators to detect from below. Glass frogs often lay their eggs on leaves hanging over water, so when the tadpoles hatch, they drop directly into the stream below. Bullfrogs. Bullfrogs are among the largest frogs in the world and are known for their deep, resonant calls that sound like a low rumble or juggo-rum. Native to North America, they have been introduced to many other parts of the world. Bullfrogs are highly adaptable and can live in a variety of freshwater habitats. They are also opportunistic predators, eating insects, fish, birds, and even other frogs. Their size and aggressive feeding behavior make them dominant in many ecosystems, sometimes even becoming invasive species where they are introduced. Horned frogs. Horned frogs, often called Pac-Man frogs because of their round shape and enormous mouths, are ambush predators found mainly in South America. They spend most of their time partially buried in soil or leaf litter, waiting motionless for prey to pass by. When something comes close, they lunge forward with surprising speed. Their diet includes insects, small mammals, reptiles, and even other frogs. They have a powerful bite and are known for their fearless nature, sometimes attempting to eat prey nearly as large as themselves. African clawed frogs. African clawed frogs are fully aquatic and spend nearly their entire lives in water. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, they have flat bodies, strong hind legs, and distinctive black claws on their back feet. These claws help them tear apart food since they lack tongues and teeth for chewing. They are scavengers and predators, feeding on small fish, insects, and organic debris. Due to their resilience and ease of care, they have been widely used in scientific research, particularly in developmental biology. Dwarf frogs. African dwarf frogs are small, peaceful, and fully aquatic, making them popular in home aquariums. Unlike their larger relatives, they are more delicate and rely on gentle environments. They have webbed feet and relatively weak limbs, so they are not strong swimmers over long distances. These frogs must surface regularly to breathe air as they do not have gills as adults. Their diet consists of small food particles such as worms and tiny aquatic organisms, and they often rely on smell and movement to locate food. Toads. Toads are technically a type of frog, but they are usually grouped separately due to their distinct appearance and behavior. They have dry, rough, bumpy skin and shorter hind legs, which makes them better suited for walking than jumping. Toads are more tolerant of dry environments than most frogs and can often be found far from water except during breeding season. Many species have glands behind their eyes that produce toxins, which can irritate or harm predators. Their earthy colors help them blend into soil and leaf litter. Burrowing frogs. Burrowing frogs are adapted to life underground, especially in regions with dry or seasonal climates. They use strong limbs and sometimes spade-like structures on their feet to dig into the soil. During dry periods, they remain underground in a dormant state, sometimes for months or even years, until rain arrives. When conditions become favorable, they emerge quickly to feed and reproduce. This ability to survive long periods without water makes them highly resilient in harsh environments. Flying frogs. Flying frogs, found mainly in Southeast Asia, are known for their ability to glide through the air. They have large webbed feet and loose skin flaps that act like parachutes, allowing them to control their descent from tree to tree. While they cannot truly fly like birds, they can travel significant distances in a single glide. This adaptation helps them escape predators and move efficiently through dense forest canopies without needing to descend to the ground. Hairy frogs. Hairy frogs, sometimes called horror frogs, are among the most unusual amphibians. During breeding season, males develop hair-like structures on their sides and thighs, which are actually extensions of skin that help increase oxygen absorption in water. This is especially useful when guarding eggs for long periods. Even more remarkable is their defense mechanism. They can break their own toe bones and push them through their skin to form claw-like weapons. This extreme adaptation makes them one of the most unique and resilient frog species.